Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the focus area on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the focus section, so this purple section right here, and then we're going to go to focus area and select focus area. But if this option isn't highlighted for you and you can't access it, you might want to have to turn off the product display mode. So you have in the shooting section down here in tab number 9, you have product SC set. So this is product showcase, and if you have this option enabled, the option that we want to access will not be accessible. So just make sure to disable product SC set. And then let's come back to focus area, and this option will be enabled. So here we have a few options. We can raise our camera up to check out how all of these options will look. So we have, for example, wide, zone, center fix, spot medium, large or small, and then expand spot. So just select the option that you want. You have this little track icon that you can press to check out more details. So just select the option that you want, and once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to like and subscribe.